This is a mixture of ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, and a choco drink with a small amount of sugar. So I am trying to make a banana pancake, which is of different from that a milk mixture. And yeah, I put one piece large size of egg. Alright, the mixture is then ready for the next step. So I put in some margarine into this pan under a low fire. So it's when preheated, that's the time we pour into the mixture of ripe bananas, egg, flour, some sugar, and the choco drink. I use the choco drink as an alternative to the milk. Let's flip to the other side. The other half of the mixture is poured into the pan to be cooked. Tikman na natin. Ang linamnam?
Da. Yung pangit, tigay pangkat.
Lasang lasa yung saging. And it's flipped. We cover for a few minutes. This homemade pancake is smooth. For me, its sweetness is just right because I only added a small amount of sugar. The ripe bananas has its own sweetness. This is good for breakfast and snack. Yummy. Naubos ko na.
Pinainit mo ito sana.
And it's done. The other half is cooked. You can also try this to taste yourself. Bye guys, thank you. Till next time.